Hello friends, welcome to 108 Astro Clinic. Today we will know about the different signs, planets, their nature and their gender. So these are five topics which I clubbed into a single video for you to learn astrology. So let's start. Friends, when we look at the different planets and their gender, so these are male, female, or they have no gender. For example, Sun, Mars, Jupiter and Rahu. Rahu is the devil's head. These are male gender. Moon and Venus, these are female gender. And Mercury, Ketu, or Devil's Tail, and Saturn, they do not have any gender. Now we go to the next one and we look at the planets and their degrees. Friends, whenever we look about the planets in anyone's birth chart, when you make a birth chart, so the in one house it is 30 degrees. So planets can be anywhere from 0 to 30 degrees. But are they powerful in the same way? The answer is no. Why? Because if the planets are at a certain degree, they are either very powerful or no powerful. So let me give you an example. When the planets are from 0 to 6 degree, they are 25% powerful. When they're from 6 to 12 degrees, they are 50% powerful. From 12 to 18, they are 100% powerful. From 18 to 24, they are again 50% powerful. And from 24 to 30, they are 25% powerful, which basically means if you see any planet in your chart, which is from 12 to 18 degrees, and it is very good, yoga, good for you, for your ascendant, there is no need to wear any gemstone because the planet is already very powerful. And if there is a bad planet which is not Yogkarak, which is Maraka for you, which is not a good planet, and it is at 2 degrees or 28, 29 degrees, then you do not need to fear from it because the planet is not powerful. The second is the nature of different signs. So 1, 4, 7, and 10, they are movable signs. 2, 5, 8, and 11 are non-movable signs, and 3, 6, 9, and 12 are dual nature. This becomes important because example I will give you in case of Virgo ascendant, the 10th house lord is Gemini. So because the 10th house lord is Gemini, the person will have a tendency to do job and also do business because it is a dual sign. It gives the dual nature or money from dual sources. In the same way, if someone is number 10 ascendant, which is a Makar sign in Hindi, or we can say Capricorn, in that case, the 10th house lord is number 7, which is Libra. So this is a movable sign. So that's why you will see that when you will see a ascendant with the Capricorn sign, in your mind you will think about this that this person might change jobs frequently. Why? Because the 10th house lord is a movable sign. This also becomes important when somebody asks you that I want to get married. What is the best time I should get married, during the day or the night? So you should look for a non-movable sign because we want the marriage to stay for long term or for eternity, right? So that's why the ascendant which is available at that time when you are telling the time to get married, so that should be a non-movable sign like Taurus or Leo, which are the most common muhurats which when we see for marriage, by the way. And on my channel, the first video, you can also look at the Chogadiya, the how to see the muhurat, which has to be combined with this. Friends, the third thing is about the nature of different signs. So all these different signs from 1 to 12, from Aries to Pisces, they are either fire or earth or air or water. If you want to remember it, I can give you an acronym, which is FEAR, FEAR. So we replace water with the river, which anyway is a water source. So that way it's easy to remember. So fire, earth, air, and water. And signs from Aries to Pisces, they are divided into two. I will give you an example when the 9/11 attacks happened in New York. And if you see the chart at that time, Mars and Ketu, or the devil's tail, were in the fire sign. So, which was number 9. So you can see that how it can correlate to an incident that happened at that time. And similarly, if somebody asks you a question that, well, will I have children or not? So the water signs 4, 8, and 12, they have a higher that had tendency to bear children easily and to have children. So for Cancer ascendant, Scorpio, and Pisces, to have children easily is easy in comparison to others because these are water signs. At the same time, if somebody says that I'm will I get fat or will lose weight quickly, so in case of water signs 4, 8, and 12, there is a tendency to gain weight quickly. In case of fire signs 1, 5, and 9, there is a tendency to stay thin and not get fat quickly. Although there are other planets also like Jupiter and so on, but this is a general concept about fire, earth, air, and water. Friend, sign and gender. As I previously told you about the signs and gender of the planets, similarly, males and females are also there in the signs. So odd signs like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11 are male signs, and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 are female signs. This doesn't mean that anyone with number 2, a Taurus ascendant, is a male but has female qualities. It's not like that. It's about the gender and what is their sign, and when we combine it with the with different combinations, then we can tell about the results in a correct way. uh, for example, people with the number 6, the Virgo sign, they are females, but 11 is a male sign, which is Aquarius. They have a lot of patience. That's a separate thing, although one is male, one is female. Friends, with this discussion, I hope that I was able to tell you about 5 different topics about the nature of the signs and their gender. I hope that you liked this video. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. At the same time, I have another channel which is in Hindi, and you can also subscribe to that channel. And going forward, you can learn Vedic astrology sitting at your home for free. Thank you so much for your patient hearing.